Greetings to my lovely people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly give me that subscribe, comment, like and share on my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, welcome on board. Now guys, today I hope you're all doing good, and I have this video lined up for you of a Jamaican, or rather let me say an angry Jamaican man. His name is Mr. Vegas. He's here lecturing Mark Golding. Now we all know that we've been having, or rather we have cases of the illicit chicks, and that the PM of Jamaica has been holding onto these names without releasing them onto public, or rather to the public. Now this guy, or rather this angry man, Jamaican man, decided that he will speak up. Well, let's have a dive in, and kindly let's have a look at this video. Make sure you watch the video up to the end so that you can have a better understanding of whatever discussion, or rather everything that's being said into this video. So guys, let's have a watch at this video, and then I'll be back with more comments.
As the Jamaican people, them are going to stay at the bottom of the totem. Yeah man, there is no escape. There is no way Jamaican people are going to come out of poverty. There is no way Jamaican people are going to reach to a level where the Chinese them were used to in a poverty reach. The Indian them were Churchill massacre. You know, Jamaican people, yeah, Una go stay at the bottom of the totem, because you know why? Una no sense. And it's, me know say them thing that kind of trigger when me talk them way, so una no sense. But that's true. Imagine, I mean I attack everybody, because do know that when them think them a fool everybody, we the out here. See? So me soon as sometime run and me post them and I make some stupid comments, and me nothing but acknowledge, you know. Especially some of the idiot over Twitter. I don't bother acknowledge, you know, because I say on a level of education way below basic. We don't have basic education to even rationalize things. See? No. The man named Mark Golding for months I go around the country. I demand the Prime Minister, command the Prime Minister, dare the Prime Minister to release the names of people who are being investigated by the Integrity Commission. Release the name them, you know the man Joelness, release the name them, release the name of the Illicit 6 them, release the name them. 3 years now, him statutory declaration, him not certified, him need to resign, he release the name them. And no say Andrew Joelness can't release the name them, you know. He knew Andrew Joelness couldn't release the name them. Him know say it's unlawful for Andrew Joelness even speak on the matter. And the man still go around and say it in front of thousands of people. Why? Because him have everybody as dunce. Him have everybody as idiots. I want to make him confirm say I'm an idiot. Now him a come now and attack the media, said them I put out false information. Come on people, you got to be kidding me people. The man attack the Observer's report. Say it's immaterial, it's this, it, that, it, one bag of thing. What? It's no documentation, one bag of thing, no evidence. Where was the evidence when you say 8 people have been investigated, 8 JLP members have been investigated by the commission? Where was your evidence? Where was your evidence that Andrew Joelness knows or knew the names of the illicit 6? Where was your evidence? You can't fool everybody, Mark Golding. You are just a little British brother, where quite likely they are Jamaica illegally right now, because your father, based on research, was a diplomat when you were born. And if he was a diplomat in the country, you are a subject of the British state. You are not a Jamaican citizen. Go check the constitution. You know that too. You, Mark Golding, know Dayton Campbell them and the next one, Robin, when them Julia and them. No. The scholars them and the lawyers them, the people them at the Bar Association, they know that if your father was a diplomat when you was born, you are not a Jamaican citizen, or you could not be a Jamaican citizen. Because that man, your father, was sent by the Queen as a diplomat. So anybody will come from him, and the pitney were born, and the pitney when give birth to, belong to the British state. Because he came on behalf of the Queen. We know that, brethren. So it's quite likely that you're not a Jamaican citizen. Because I know, say, your wife never filed for you because you're going to tell she too, so you're a Jamaican citizen. Just like how you tell lie about your status. Just like how you make up story to block the process of us becoming a republic. You block the process. Talk about we can have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. When you had 1 foot in and 1 foot out, how long are the Jamaican people going to take to realize say you're liar? You're disingenuous. How long are they going to take? What am I going to do? Turn over the country to you if it put you back in put you 100 step back? If it put you a 900 billion deficit? Eh? If it put you back a 900 billion deficit? What? You've got to be kidding me, people. I don't need to run with the money, Virgin Lisa and them daddy and Damien Crawford them and you know, the other man them Peter Phillips and them man the Virgin. A more decent people than a man. The man and have no qualms, Virgin. Him just lie. Him just looking at the camera and lie. Him just record the thing them and put them out and lie. You want come now at the media? Say them and spread propaganda. You will put out that information about Illicit 6 and all of them things they say nobody from the PMP no involved, and nobody from the PMP involved in the investigation. No member of parliament from the PMP. No way you say 2 high-ranking PMP members of the investigation. Are we supposed to just ignore that? You know, I'm not talking at this loud. You observe and who a leak. Make who a leak because you've been leaking like a pipe. You've been leaking like a faucet, Virgin. You leak till the brother named Julian and the next one named Dayton start follow you and talk things with them not to talk to. And Integrity Commission did not stop you, knowing that you were out there breaking the law, Virgin. You make Rattigan them and the whole of the anti-Jamaican them run around the world, Canada, all over America, talking about the Prime Minister is corrupted, only to find out now or to hear now, based on what come out already, that the Prime Minister was thoroughly investigated and they found nothing by international forensic. Put your own under the scope too. Put your asset under the microscope. Put your money under the microscope. Put your status under the microscope to Mr. Wayne Golden. Like what Mr. Wolness have to do. You want to come be Prime Minister, put your thing, make we know why you don't have no property at Jamaica. Make we know why you're coming up politics. Me don't make my money already, me don't have money already, but you declare one like a flimsy sum of money in Jamaica and you tell us you don't make money already. You don't need to come in politics and money. Where the money there? Where the money there? That little money there you talk about, them not richer than you? So me richer than you? You were unproven? You and Peter Bunting used to run big company in Jamaica? You got to be kidding me, Virgin. Put your business under the microscope. Now, who wants to see your status under the microscope? But you know, say, when you dig hole, dig 2, and you see same knife for stick goat, stick sheep, or the other way around, or stick sheep, stick goat. And you ball out now. You see your run come out and put out statement now about the media. Leave the media alone. When the Gleaner and everybody did, I run with the way you say. Why you never tell them to chill out? Why you never tell them say they must spread misinformation? When the Prime Minister say him a go clamp down on disinformation, don't you run out and say him can't do that because we wanted Rattigan them to continue doing it? Now we find out say Herb them a spy based on what them a tell we say. Now we find out say Herb them did a work in a CIA and them something based on where we understand from what them a say. Now we know say Rattigan was an FBI agent now working with a CIA agent. and going around the country trying to mash up the economy, trying to stop people from sending money to Jamaica, trying to destroy remittance. Oh no, got to be kidding me, Bridget. Mark Golden got to go. He got to resign, people.
So guys, I hope you've watched the video up to the end. Now I'd love to take this opportunity to welcome you back to my channel. Remember, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly give me that subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. I appreciate your comments, both the positives and the negative, because for that comment it helps me expand, or rather have a good search about the content that I present to you as my viewers, my followers and everybody else. So guys, let's have a dive in. So I hope you've watched the video, and we all know about the two major parties in Jamaica, which is the PNP and the GLP. So now in recent cases, the GLP leader, who is the PM of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, has been having a lot of pressure on him. People have been complaining a lot about his governance. Allow me not to say his leadership, but about his governance. The way he's leading the people is a lot of people have been complaining about it. We've heard of high cases of insecurity in Jamaica. For instance, there is the mass shooting in Clarendon, Cherry Tree Lane. Condolences to everybody who lost a loved one in that incident. We also have this Jamaican army guy who was shot. We also have, just to mention a few, the incident of the boy who was beaten off by a shark, but the government said to the public that there is no shark. Well, turns out that that information wasn't right, and people really condemned the government, or rather the police, for giving out such information about the people to the public, because they are endangering the lives of other citizens and other tourists visiting Jamaica. So in this video, this angry man has decided to get it back to the PNP leader, Mark Gold. Now, for one, he's condemning Mark Golding for publicly going to the streets and calling out the PM to produce the names of the illicit six. Some are having the claims that the PM and his people, and also his wife Juliet Holness, with also Paula Lulin, they are saying that the PM is refusing to give out the names to the public because his name is among the illicit six. Well, we are yet to know about that, or rather to prove that information, though recently we've had cases of or rather we've had a case whereby the PM's name has been linked with several bank accounts, and also his wife Juliet Holness' name has been found, or rather to be linked with those bank accounts. Now, this angry man in this video, as you've seen, he's condemning Mark Golding for calling out, or rather publicly taking it to the streets to claim that the PM should release the names of the illicit six. The man is saying that that's against the rule, that will be breaching of the privacy according to the law. But to some point, I feel like the people deserves to know, the Jamaicans deserves to know this corrupt leader, so that they don't vote them in next time. Because recently we've had a video I did that the Jamaicans claim that the criminals are being protected by the government. The criminals are being protected by the government, which means these criminals are among the people who are in power into the government of Jamaica. Now, another thing this guy has mentioned too is about the certifying of the assets of the PM. We've had also the Integrity Commission was asked to investigate and certify the assets of the PM, who is Andrew Holness. People have been questioning, like, why is his assets not being certified by the Integrity Commission and all that. Now, this guy, this angry Jamaican, has taken this opportunity to ask Mark Golding to also ascertain, or rather satisfy, his assets. He said that Mark Golding is claiming to be to be rich, and now the guy is asking, like, you can hear the guy ask, am I richer than you, Mr. Mark Golding? Do you want to say that I am richer than you? He's also asking the Integrity Commission to certify the assets of Mark Golding also. It's clearly that this guy is on defense of the PM, who is Andrew Holness. I take no sides. I'm just here to uncover what's going on around Jamaica, around Africa, and all that. So another thing the guy has talked about is the citizenship of Mark Golding. He has talked and said that Mark Golding is not a Jamaican citizen. He has dual citizenship. He's saying Mark Golding is of British citizen, not Jamaican. The man is asking Mark Golding to go back to his country, to leave Jamaicans alone. This man is so angry. I can prove and tell you that this man is so angry at Mark Golding. But I believe everybody has their own support. Everybody has their own sides in this election game. Everybody always picks sides. But I'd ask you to Jamaicans to kindly vote in somebody of, or rather, good vision about your country, good vision about you, good vision about the coming generation. Don't vote in somebody because he's Jamaican. Don't vote in somebody because he's of the same tribe as you. Don't vote in somebody because you know him on if somebody is good, he's good. If somebody is bad, he's bad. Make sure you vote in a good leader, not just a politician. A politician only cares about their seat, only cares about the next election. They only care about their power. The man is telling Mark Golding to leave Jamaica and go back to his country. Well, let's engage more. So guys, let me have your comments. Kindly, if you're watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like and share to my channel. I'm your channel that uncovers basically things you might have missed going on around Jamaica, in Africa, and almost all over the world. So I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.